Hello guys, this is about the UPSC exam postponement which they have updated in their website yesterday and day before yesterday. So April 19 and 20 their press meet documents are there in their website. I hope you have already seen, but after seeing this many questions are being raised like whether UPSC 2021 will get affected because after completing one cycle of exam only they'll start the next one. So these kind of things came last year also, and last year UPSC in advance itself told like 2020 exam will be postponed. So from May it was taken to June, then to like a giant change, I would say, till October. Okay, it was moved. But this year, because already they have delayed everything and all, I don't think they will postpone it. But we'll see. Okay, the postponement timeline and all. As of now, I'll show you in the UPSC website what it's written. These are the exams. Okay, civil services to 2020. Okay, that means the prelims, mains, which is over now. The interview was supposed to happen. So the dates I'll show you like how much or what they are telling. Then this economic service interview and the statistics service, which is almost same only, I think same exam. Then EPFO 2020 recruitment is deferred. Okay, it was I think May 8th or 9th it was supposed to happen. I mean, I'll tell you, okay, if it's postponed or not, what 2021 and 22 students have to do now, that I'll tell you in this video. So we'll directly go to UPSC website. This is the UPSC website. If you see, here two sections are there. Okay, one is this on the right side, which you see what's new, and then this panel where scrolling things goes. This is the two place always UPSC update comes. So the press release is there. I have already opened it. When you click on this or what is going on here, the first one, you will see the details. So the first one, if you see here, the press note, the date should be April 19th only. Okay, here it's there, April 19. So due to the prevailing conditions, UPSC have deferred the personality test of the candidates of civil service 2020 scheduled from 26th April to 18th June. Okay, meaning this week it was supposed to start, and ideally the cycle is like 18th June will get over. Like your prelims of 2021 is on 27th June. So before that they'll publish the rank list and you will know the, like who is the toppers and all, and then that gives you a last minute motivation also to go and give the prelims. That is how the cycle usually goes. But now because it's postponed, I don't think if the prelims exam happens on time, then you will not even know what is the result and this and all. This will know after the this thing only, exam only. And here the same thing is given again. And here a little more detailed way, press release PDF, if you see, all the exam names are given. Okay, because situation is like changing rapidly and all, they are considering this decision. The EPFO recruitment 2020, which is on May 9th, that is deferred. Then personality interviews of Indian Economic Service, Indian Statistical Service, and civil service exam. Okay, these are postponed. The date of the interview and recruitment where candidates advisors are required to travel from all parts of the country will be reviewed from time to time. Revised schedule of the same will be notified on the website. So it will not be like intimated personally or something. It will be there on the website. So this one anyway, audience will be very less for this. I know who is attending the interview and all. But still, we have to think about 2021 exam also. And here it's told like 15 days notice will be given. So it's not like it will be suddenly tell like tomorrow is the interview or next week is the interview. 2 weeks gap will be given. So this is the basic UPSC update. Now regarding like what you should do. Okay, 2021 and 22. If you are watching this video, 2021 students, I know your test series and timetable things will be going on. So first thing you have to do now is stop your mains preparation, because you will be maybe a part of an institute or maybe doing it yourself, or you have some targets like till April 30 I will do this. You have to ideally stop your mains preparation now, because prelims, if you don't clear, then there is no use of this mains preparation which you are doing. Okay, you should have ideally done a lot of answer writing now or learned from some institute test series or something. Okay, because we also, Vysh, we have already closed it. Okay, our mains batches are over and some corrections are pending. Other than that, the solution PDF and everything is done. Okay, they have got the model answers and they can revise it themselves. So that phase is over. So ideally, whichever institute plans well, I think they would have completed by now, and you should also stop it. Stop mains preparation right now. Newspaper reading. Now, whatever happens in the May month and June month, mostly questions won't come for your prelims. Okay, for your mains it is needed. That which you can catch up later also after prelims. I'm not telling you to stop the newspaper completely, but reduce it. Okay, because it will be more helpful for your mains, which you can ideally catch up after you clear prelims. So reduce it slowly and then bring it down to zero by at least May mid. Okay, then after that you don't need to read the newspaper very urgently. It won't come, prelims questions won't come from there. Even if it comes, one question will come, that is okay. Okay, you don't need that single question to clear your prelims. So focus more or only on prelims. and don't start a new book now, because there are some people like last minute somebody tells like that particular history book of ancient history is very important, I did not even do, and then you will buy from Amazon and then you will buy. This won't work. Okay, the exam is not written like that. Maybe one question came from that book and some people simply will share that in every group and every forum, and then you get tensed. Don't do that. You already decided your preparation, you know this many books I have shortlisted, from this questions are like maximum coming, and this is what everyone are going to do. So you have already having the books. Please don't start a new book now. Okay, you can revise the existing books. Maybe Lakshmikant from the starting you want to revise one more time, sit and read. That is totally fine, but in a faster pace. So restrict the number of books as I told. Then do test daily. Okay, whether it's like online test or offline test or simply test PDF like how we give, which is having the complete explanation, that has to be done daily. Okay, if you are doing NCERT test, like suppose we have given you an NCERT test, so do 1 to 30. Okay, MCQs 1 to 30. Then again take it and revise it the next day one more time before you start the 31st MCQ. Okay, before you do the 31st MCQ next day, keep lesser time, because maybe today you took 1 hour or 2 hours to do that. Next day within just 15 to 30 minutes you should be able to quickly revise it, because you already done that question. So like that, everything carry forward to the next day and revise the previous day's syllabus or the previous day's portions. Then you will get used to it and it will stay in your memory for a longer time. Okay, and the timings also I would suggest you slowly in May month and all start doing the test from 9 to 12. Okay, the correct UPSC timings, so that your brain get adjusted to those timings. Okay, 9 to 12 or 2 to 5, that is the time when you have to actually give your prelims exam. So that time you have to be in that mood of solving questions and eliminating. Okay, so that not in further days practice we'll do more, but I'm just keep making you ready for the exam. Okay, then do previous year papers regularly, because questions come directly. Okay, directly questions repeat with options, same options in the UPSC exam. So revise again and again as I told. Don't follow unwanted news. Okay, because I see people like, it's okay to get worried about this situation around the corona situation, the oxygen problems, whatever is going on in this country in different states, in your hometown, you have to know that. Okay, but please don't get addicted to it and then be busy in like WhatsApp or YouTube and full time watching this video, then sharing to other friends, then getting tensed about it, discussing with friends and family. You are actually wasting your time. And a UPSC aspirant, time is everything. Okay, if you don't have enough time or if you don't use the time properly, you will not clear this exam. How much ever bright you are or how much ever you have studied in the past, the last 2 months, that is just before exam, supposing like June 27th exam will happen as of now, you will fail if you don't utilize this last 2 months. Okay, around 60 to 65 days are left for this exam now. So when it's 50 days, I will start giving you free MCQs daily for practice also. But if you have my test already and if you're enrolled already, you can study it much earlier than that. Okay, because already 5 batches are running parallelly, and for everyone we are giving test almost every day. Okay, because the dates are different for different batches, so almost every day I am delivering test here. So I know how much content is going to these students. So if you are also enrolled to any whichever institute, or maybe you are a veteran student and you already have materials, do the things which you have. Okay, please don't get diverted. That is the main point for 2021. And believe in yourself. Okay, how much ever people get make you demotivated, if even your family somebody got affected with this corona or something happened, you should believe in yourself that you can always come back. Okay, the situations will improve. Now vaccine also is going to start for everyone from May 1st. So after that again situation is going to improve only. So please don't like take yourself to such a low level that you cannot come back or catch up. Okay, so believe in yourself and your mentor and whatever process you are doing, believe in that. And start making short timetables also, like next 3 weeks I'll do this, or next May month I'll do this, and June month I'll do only maybe subject test or full test or only current affair. Decide that pattern. Okay, 2022 students ideally have to do the foundation, for which we itself have done free videos, and if you do that, I guarantee you that you don't need any other mentor or any other coaching institute. You will know yourself how to prepare. Okay, and you just have to enroll to some particular test series, and then you will be on track. You will definitely clear this exam if you do like what we have told in this foundation videos. If you don't have that foundation video, just message me, I'll give you the links. Okay, and research about this exam, because in my foundation also I'm telling that only research. You have to study UPSC before studying for UPSC. Okay, two things are different, studying UPSC and studying for UPSC. So learn what is this exam, learn how people are clearing, what is the cutoff, what is the variation, what is the vacancy, what is the pattern, what are the optionals, for this books are available or not, for this whether videos are available or not. Do that entire research and start bringing in discipline, because you will be like waking up in the afternoon, or maybe like all night you are awake, all night you study. It varies from person to person. So but bring in a discipline which you will start following for 365 days. Okay, because we also will be putting a 365-day timetable for you along with the test series when you enroll. So you should be studying day in and day out. Okay, we'll tell you which book to study, which page to study, which chapter to study, everything we'll be telling you. And on the end of that week or end of that cycle, we'll give you the test based on that. And you just have to sit and study that, sit and revise that. and I guarantee you that by the end of the year you will be done with all the subjects if you are joining one genuine test series like Vysh is. Okay, so bring in that discipline and start planning. Like I told, start making your own timetable instead of waiting for anyone to give you. Start thinking like, okay, I take 10 days to read this much chapters, I take one like these many hours to understand one Lakshmikant concept. You should know yourself, you should know your capacity, like how much time you need for each and everything. Okay, or whether writing I'm very bad, I cannot write fast, maybe I'm not used to it now after college days. So start taking down points about yourself, and if you know yourself and UPSC separately only, then you can start the preparation. Okay, then set up everything like I told you, a study room and all these things. Again, in the foundation video in detail I have told. Follow the right mentors, you have to choose it now. Previous year papers, importance and what you have to inquire. Then purchase all the books needed, because everything is there, Amazon or wherever it is now online, it's available. And inquire about the test series and keep, and whichever suits you and your needs, join that test series. Okay, and there's nothing wrong in joining 5 test series or 6 test series. It's okay, because more number of MCQs you see, more number of explanations you see, your answer writing as well as the prelim solving is going to improve. Okay, because you have to write, you have to start writing answers, not like day one, but at least through the pattern in which the institutes are giving you. Because we also, when we do, it's not like day one you will be writing a mains answer. If the prelims test series starts in June, your mains will start only by September or October. Okay, because we'll give you time to read, and we will tell you exactly what to read also. The 365 timetable will have entire thing. Like today you read GS3, this particular topic, robotics. Tomorrow you read nanotechnology. Then you read maybe ethics, chapter number 1. Like that in syllabus it will be written in our timetable which we give you. Okay, you just have to buy that book yourself and then read it. And then when we give the test, solve it. Okay, you will be ready by the end of the year. So these are samples, like the foundational videos whichever I made. Now I'll wind up this video, because if I again repeat, it will be like you itself will feel like we are going on repeating the same point. So these things are there, free videos, not only 10, I think more than 22 videos are there now. So all those links I'll give you. Come in WhatsApp and ask me like foundation or 2022, 2023. Just message me something, I'll give you all the links for free. Okay, so I'll come up with the next video soon. Thank you and have a nice day.